good afternoon, the members of inspection committee and observer from CSE. Myself Sanjay Pandey, principal of RL Academy. This is our school, RL Academy, situated on the main road, Salempur, and our affiliation number is 31331, and we have a approachable distance. This road goes to the Gorakhpur side and this one towards the Lar as well as the Balia side. Now sir, please follow me and we are entering towards the main entrance. This is the protocol for COVID for all the visitors, including parents or any stakeholders. They have to be entered in the school campus by following these following protocols. Please come with me. This is the main entrance of the RL Academy. Thank you. Thank you. The total area, land area of the RL Academy is the 8,193.15 square meter. That is approximately 2.025 acre. So please come with me inside the school area. This is the sanitization machine for every visitors. Firstly, they will sanitize their hands and then they will enter in the school campus. Now we are having the suggestion box, complaint box for every student's parents if they have any. And now we are towards the fire extinguisher for the safety practices, including in the closest approach of the electrical devices. So sir, please come with me in the administrative office of this school. This is our school office, administrative office. That is the area for the visitors. And now we are towards the few snaps for the previous year's activities made by the students. This is lies in the fond memory. Students are not coming in during the COVID period, and these are the instruction regarding to the fee rebate. We are offering the fee rebate for every students by considering the COVID. And let's come with me in the administrative office area. This is the office area for the account section. We have well equipped CCTV monitoring in entire school for the safety of employees, students, and regular monitoring. This is the, please come with me, this is the principal office of the RL Academy. We have CCTV observation on monitor what have to going in the classrooms or in the school campus. Please come with me. Now we are entering toward the computer section of this school. Please come with me. This is the computer lab of RL Academy. We have symbols for excellence, that is the Sundar Pichai pick for the students for getting motivations and get their excellence from their vision. And he is Iqbal sir, our computer teacher. Please come with me sir. He is your computer teacher, इकबाल सर.
आपका नाम?
इकबाल अफजल.
क्वालिफिकेशन?
या BCA.
So now we are towards the next. This is the washroom area for the staff, school staff. This is the staff washroom area.
चलिए स्टार्ट.
Now we are going towards the staff room situated on the first floor of this school. Please come with me. This is the staff room for school staff who take the leisure period and fulfill all the duties assigned for the schooling. So please come with me. We are providing the locker for every teachers for putting their utilizable articles for safe hands. Now we are towards the math lab. Math lab is situated just next to the staff room. Please come with me. He is Kausal Singh sir for our math teacher, and he is the Rajesh Yadav sir for math teacher. Students of our school is in the safe hand of both with respect of the mathematics.
अपना नाम और क्वालिफिकेशन।
Myself is Kausal Kumar Singh. My education BSc and belong to Balia.
BSc B.Ed ना?
Yeah.
कुछ सामान के बारे में बताइए।
Please sir, assist us for the items regarding the mathematics.
This is the trapezium and this is the sector of triangle. So, aid and count number, graphical, Cartesian plane, circle, trapezium, hexagon, rectangle, pentagon, star, semicircle, parallelogram, nonagon, square, and parabola.
And the room size is the 20-25. That is for the math lab. So thank you sir. We are towards the next area. Now we are entering toward the library of the school. Please come with me sir. This is the library of RL Academy. This is the area for newspaper reading, the podium for the newspaper reading for school students as well as the teachers who getting the basic information nationwide, international level. This is the book shelf. The political map for world and India. Book shelf for the English. Now this is the book shelf for the science students. We have a good range of science books for the students as a reading corner. Mathematics as well as the science book shelf. And this is the area for the reading assigned for the students. We are providing the locker for the students who kept their valuable item. Likewise, if rupees or any important items they have, they put there and continue their study. Now, we meet the library attendant of this school, Mr. Mukesh Pandey. He is the library attendant of the school, Mr. Mukesh Pandey.
जी मैं मुकेश चंद्र पांडे लाइब्रेरी अटेंडेंट।
Please provide the basic informations. This is the basic informations for library stock register, issue register for the students. We were issuing the book in the previous session because due to the COVID pandemic, students are yet to their home and not coming in the school. Please come with me. This is the washing area for library. students put their hands for cleaning. Please come with me, sir. This is the secondary entrance of library.
मैथ लैब.
Now we are proceeding towards the next class of our school. This is the side portion of our school, and this is the mainly designed for the canteen area, and here we are also providing the instruction for the students for getting protection for the COVID and every protocol given by the students here. Here we have also fire extinguisher because the canteen during the previous time before COVID pandemic lies here. And this is the washing area for the students getting the food items and wash their hands in this area. And I am displaying the healthy zone. Please come with me. Now we are proceeding towards the junior wing. This is our junior wing building. Classes here operate from class 1st to class 8, and this is the power backup area. We have the backup supply during power cut. This is the genset for entire school supply, and this is the gardening area made by our beloved students as well as the gardener of this school. This is the playground area of school inside the school campus, well equipped with the boundary wall and totally protected with the CCTV surveillance. The ground area is also under the surveillance of the CCTV. Now we are towards the playground. This is the volleyball court. Meet with our PTI, Mr. Arif.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Thank you, sir. This is the volleyball courts. Here all the children are playing here, and this is the Kabaddi junior girls courts. All the girls are playing here.
This is the Kabaddi court for the junior girls group, and we have also the sports area for our beloved kids, basically junior kids. This is the Sisa for our beloved kids. This is a Sisa. During school time, students enjoy very much, and almost they are fighting for getting their place. This is the planted area, and also the well monitored with the rails for protection of the plant. And here we are also has snaps of the previous activities, I am introducing. This is the activity for the cultural activity titled as the Ankur in the previous academic session. These are the snaps and that activity performed by our students. This is the Rangoli competition on the eve of Deepavali. Similarly, this is the inter-house volleyball competition as well as the kabaddi competition. This is the snap of the junior kids, that is the spoon race. And similarly, this is the basically tug of war for the junior kids, and teachers also involved positively. This is the jalebi race during the previous session. Please come with me, sir. This is the prize distribution, peak of prize distribution ceremony for the students in the presence of the Honorable Sub-District Magistrate of the Salempur region. This is the peak of Gandhiji. Students of our school, we act as in the role of Gandhiji during the 2nd October. And this is the peak of the science activity, science exhibitions, and the chief guest was the Honorable Deputy Collector of the Salempur region. This is also the art and craft activity made by the students. This is the peak of our school band, who give the ceremonial band event at the 15th August ceremony, and the girls of this school are in the tricolor arena, saffron green as well as the white. The students of the RL Academy made act as the Saraswati Mata in the event of the Ankur, as well as similarly in the Bharat Mata role on the rally organized by the school on the event of the 15th August. This is the peak of the PTM. We are organizing PTM after every real proclamation, and the good number of parents enjoying the PTM and getting feedback for the students and providing feedback for their students also. This is the peak of jalebi race as well as the science exhibitions. This is the team of RL Academy, including the management committee and founder members of the school management. Here also we have the peak of activities. We are honoring the sub-district magistrate of the Salempur, Mr. Sanjeev Yadav ji, on their auspicious presence on the event of the science exhibitions. Okay, now we are towards the respected members of IC. Now we are proceeding towards the multi-purpose hall of our school, and now I am going to introduce about the houses of RL Academy. We have the 4 houses, namely Bhagat Singh House. The second one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam House. The third one is Dr. Rajendra Prasad House. Number 4 is Mahatma Gandhi House. We are assigning the houses in name of these legends because students getting inspired by their valuable characters, valuable skills. Now we are towards the multi-purpose hall of this school. This is the assembly area as well as the recreational area. This is the stage for our school where students are performing their activities. And please come with me, sir. Here we have display for the few activities made by the students. This is the peak of the science exhibitions, and the science exhibitions was held in the previous academic session, and the chief guest was Mr. Sanjeev Yadav, Deputy Collector of the Salempur region. Same like as this is the peak of our cultural program, that is the annual function titled as the Ankur, a humble beginning of Renaissance. Similarly, the Director of Organization, Mr. Sandeep Srivastava, honoring the Deputy Collector of the Salempur region, Sandeep Kumar ji, as well as the Om Prakash Barnwal ji. This is the peak of students' activity during the Ankur as well as the 15th August activities. This is the peak of the tug of war which operated at the 26th of January on the Republic Day event. So, this is the view of our assembly area as well as the multi-purpose hall area. Now, this is the biology lab of school. Please come with me, sir. This is the biology lab, and these items get belong from the biology, that is the virtual model of the lungs. Similarly, that is the model of plant cell as well as the animal cell. This is the model of the human ear, and that represent the human nervous system including cranial nerves. Dissection box, the holding flask, wax tray is here. That is the light microscope as well as the compound microscope for the students. These are the body agent bottles. This is the permanent slide, and these are the charts for reference of the students. This is the plastic models of the specimen belonging from different phylums, different classes. This is the sample model of the human heart, that is the digital weighing machine for the measurement of the salts during their experiment. This is the model of human eye, and this is the model prepared by the students of the school, that is the representation of the cell. This is made by the school students during their class activity. These are the measuring flask, beakers, that is translational jar, bell jar, and that is the tap. We have the proper supply of water. These taps. These are the specimens of monocots, dicots, as well as the chemicals regarding to the biology practical, and he is the biology teacher of his school, Mr. Akhilesh Kushwaha. These chemicals waiting for their students, because during COVID period, students are yet at their home. This is the human skeletal system for providing the basic informations for human skeletal system, that is the blackboard assigned for the teachers for displaying all the requirements. This is the storage. This is the storage almirah for biology lab, and all the labs, all the area is under surveillance of the CCTV for the safety of students, for the protection of the system also. The size of the lab is the 20 into 30, that is the well ventilated, well aerated and well lighted area. Thank you. Please come with me in the physics lab. This is the physics lab of school, and these items assigned for the students, and that items are basically meant for the senior classes, and students are not coming in the school, and after getting affiliation, these items will be utilized by the students, that is the blackboard for the demonstration of the content by the physics teacher as well as the physics demonstrator. The size of this lab is also 20 into 30. This is properly ventilated, well aerated, and he is the physics teacher of the school, Mr. Akhilesh Giri sir.
Yes, sir, I am Akhilesh Giri in MSc BEd. This apparatus is optical wedge and optical needles and lens and mirror. This is glass plate, glass slab. Okay, and this is the price. This is Turkey microscope, cardboard, and this reflecting compass,
Vernier calipers,
spring balance, screw gauge, magnet. This is rectangular magnet, bar magnet, and this is the load. The 500 gram, and this is parallelogram apparatus, and this elements of parallelogram apparatus, and also this is electric experiment that
this is the store box for the physics items. The rest of the items are kept here for future. And let item demonstrated by the physics teacher.
This is electric element like to ammeter and galvanometer, voltmeter, resistor, Ohm's law apparatus, resistance box, and battery. And this is a sonometer. This is potentiometer, and also this sonometer again apparatus, and this is sonometer apparatus which is used in materials, and also this is belt transformer, and this is EMP junction, and EMP junction, battery eliminator, and meter bridge. This is meter bridge. This is used in higher classes, and
These items are being used by the students of the senior section. After getting affiliation, these items to be used by the students of senior classes. This is the storeroom for this block. Here we are keeping the school band for the students as well as the mics and all the audio devices for the assembly activity. Similarly, we are depositing here the school copies, that is the home examination copies. Likewise, miscellaneous articles are kept here and as a store. Thank you. Now we are proceeding towards the lab. Science lab. Please come with me, sir. This is the stairs with the properly protected railings. Now we are in the way of lab. This is the storeroom as well as attached with the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Please come with me. This is the chemistry lab. This is the digital weighing machine. This is the pipette holder. Well organized sink. Burette stand. The bottles. These are the chemicals utilized during the chemistry practical. This is the measuring flask test tube stands, spirit lamp, all the articles which are being utilized by the students during their chemistry practical, beaker, measuring cylinder, porcelain boxes, similarly mortar and pestles. These are the acids: concentrated nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetones. Similarly, Winchester bottle, that is the KNO4 solution, that is the keeps apparatus for the production of the hydrogen sulfide gas in the laboratory. Distilled water storehouse for storing almirah for the chemistry lab. All the additional item is kept here. The blackboard for the display all the items for the practical by the chemistry teacher as well as the lab attendant. The size of the lab is the 20 into 30. Now we are in the boys washroom area for the senior section. Please come with me. This is the washing bay, the hand wash area, towel area, basin area. The proper supply of water is here. This is the urinals guarded by the laminates. This is the toilet section. This is also well ventilated. This area is under the proper lighting and aerated area and by the CCTV surveillance. For the boys, second area, we have also the another set of the basin area, hand wash area. Similarly, the toilet area for the boys. We have two sets for the boys washroom area and boys washing area. Thank you. Now, this area is properly cleaned, regularly to be cleaned and regularly monitored by the secretary in charge of the school organization. The corridor of lab area is also under the CCTV surveillance because the students or anybody who enter in the washroom area, who enter in the lab area will be get monitored under the CCTV. Okay, now we are proceeding towards the senior section of our school. Please come with me. This is the class 9. The students getting their classes at the time usually. This is the time for the biology classes. And due to COVID pandemic, students manage their safety. Now we are in the next class. This is the class 9. Students getting the classes for English. Washroom area, that is the girls' washroom area. This one is the hand wash area, well equipped with the proper supply of water and the safe handy method. Now this is the washroom area for girls. Okay, please come with me. This is the area where teacher getting the space for their rest. And this is the ramp and stairs for the proposed classes for senior section. Please come with me. शुरू करें. Respected members of IC, this is the senior wing of the school, particularly for 9th onward. This is the main entrance of the senior wing. Please come with me. This is the corridor area for the senior wing, and this is the washing area for the students. For senior wings, please come with me. This is the classroom for the senior section. We are operating the online classes as well as the virtual classes for class 9th. This is the display of today's class. The size of the classroom is the 25 into 20. This is the corridor area for the senior class. This is the girl washroom area. This area is well guarded by the laminates. This is the girl washing area. This is the dustbin used by the girls. This is the washroom area as well as this is the basin area, and that is the basic instruction for the COVID protection. And this is the hand wash area. Students getting hand wash and clean their hands and regularly wash. This is the classroom for class 9. This is the basic demonstration for today's class. The size of the classroom is 25 into 20 also. We have CCTV surveillance and as well as the digital bell device. The bell is rang in the school campus digitally. Come with me. This is the settling station for the teachers. The teacher who taught in the respective classes is settled here and waiting for their period. Now we are proceeding towards the next floor, that is the first floor of the senior class. This is the well protected way. This is the first floor of the school, and that class is assigned for the class 10. Proposed classroom for class 10. We are operating the class nowadays till class 9th, but in future we are operating the class for class 10th also. This is the corridor area. This is the washroom area for the boys. This is the urinal area for boys. This is the urinal area for boys. We have also here the hand wash area. This is also the proposed classroom for class 10. The size of the classroom is also 20 into 25 by diameter. This is the corridor area. Now each corridor and each classroom is always under the surveillance of CCTV. Now we are proceeding towards the second floor of the school, main building for the senior classes. This is the corridor area for the senior students, second floor, and that is the proposed classroom for class 11th. The size of classroom also 25 into 30, 25 into 20, and every classroom of the school is under the surveillance of CCTV and digitally bell system. Here is the corridor. This class is also assigned for the class 11th. This location. This is the classroom. It is also under surveillance of CCTV. This corridor is under the surveillance of CCTV, and we have wide washroom at this floor also. This is the view of wide washroom area, and that is well protected by the railings. Every floor has proper protection with the railings. Now, please come with me. We are towards the third floor of the senior section. This floor corridor and classroom also under surveillance of the CCTV. This is the corridor area. There is the hand wash area. This is the washroom area. Washroom area for this floor. Please come with me. This is the proposed classroom for teachers. This is nowadays empty because during COVID period, students are not yet to come in school. The classroom is also under the surveillance of the CCTV as well as under the digital ringing system. This is also additional classroom for teachers. Size of every classroom is, as I mentioned earlier, 25 into 20 by diameter. Now